Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today na your first time to come across my video, please subscribe and share. Today we dey make oats for egg roll. To get our oats, you put water for your pot. Depend of how you want make the oats stay make, na you still dey put the water for the pot. If you don put water for the pot, you add your oats. If you measure am, put 3 spoon, 4 spoon, depend how the hair wey be say you wan use the oat for, depend how e take long, how the hair take full, na you take add your oat. After you don add your oat, you turn am. If you no many reach, you add join am, you turn am. You let the oat boil, not to let her too thick o, because if e too thick, e no fit come out for the thing wey you want to strain the oat. Make no too thick, you still light small small. If e too thick, you add water, turn am. You continue to dey turn am, make e no for burn for the down. No high your gas, so you lower your gas, make something dey boil. Dey continue to dey turn am. No too let her too thick o. After you carry am come down, you let am cool. Let am cool. If not, if not, e go burn your hand. You let am cool. You turn am for wetin you want to remove the gel. Because if e hot, you no fit remove the gel, e go burn your hand. You let am cool. Make no just cool finish o. You just cool small. Then you remove the gel. Let am cool small because e dey hot and e dey burn hand. See the way e be. If you take detangle your hair, you can take do hair mask, hair deep condition. You see am. Na the gel we all want, this gel so now we want. Now let am cool. If not, as I dey able dey do am so now, dey able dey hot. You try make you remove all the old gel comot. Make for ratio use. Depend how your hair take many. If you no see too many, you still do am the way be say you go still ratio. Because my daughter hair stay long, e long, just that e not too full like that, but e long. You see the gel wey dey come outside. Continue to dey press am till the gel wey be say you need. Put your hair section. Start to dey apply am put for the hair section. No just pack am put for all the oil once. Dey apply am put for a section. Dey use your hand dey detangle the hair. I choose not to use comb because my daughter, if I put comb for her hair, e go cry. Choose not to use comb. Dey apply for the hair section. Use your hand dey detangle the hair. See how the way I dey do am. Use your hand dey detangle the hair. You apply am for the back. No small hair wey dey the back. See the way I dey detangle the hair. I no use comb because my daughter, if I just put comb for her hair, she'll just dey cry. That they used to dey detangle the all those knots when we say don't carry your hair dirty before you lose am. Go help you detangle all of them. Twist am. Just dey do this hair small small because if I say make I do am the way we say I wan just do am small small, hey madam go cry, over cry. So I just dey apply am for small small. Apply am for the section, the down, the tip, because na the tip na be the oldest part of our hair. Apply am put the use am dey detangle the hair. So then you twist am. Go to the next one. Just choose to just do this one. I know say it big, but I choose to do it so that madam will quick get off for share. If not, over cry. She know if it be la mother, la daughter. Those fronts, so the down. Those tip now be the oldest part of our hair. The down. See the way they apply and put the down one, the front. Now your first time to come across my video, please like, share and subscribe. And you put for the front, those sides, so where the oats never you put. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. May God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.